Hello everyone. Uh, I'm excited to demonstrate Datapilot. Let me show you the screen first. Just wait a minute. Okay. So here's the Datapilot, my an autonomous multi-agent data science platform built on the Google Agent Development Kit and Fast API. We belongs to the Google ADK capstone track, focusing on agent collaboration, sandboxed tool execution, and robust security checkpoints. Okay, let me share you with you the banner of that project. Wait a bit. This, as you can see on the screen, Datapilot is a complete web-based control system that streamlines everything from Kaggle dataset searches to automatic modeling and compliance auditing in one single cohesive workflow. So, so let me share with you an architecture diagram of this project. Okay, so here, wait a bit, it's loading, guys. So, hmm, let us look at how architecture coordinate under the hood. First, the data pilot orchestrate agent, this orchestrator agent coordinates under the hood. Okay. So, like its orchestrator agent receive your data set and goal, acting as the central manager of the entire run. Next, the orchestrator calls the data pilot EDA agent. Here's the EDA agent. You can see that and saves interactive plotly charts. Then the orchestrators run the data pilot security agent to perform a six category vulnerability and privacy check before any training occurs. If a critical privacy issue is detected, the workflow hits our blocking human in the loop checkpoint, pausing the execution until the user manually reviews and approves. Once cleared, the data pilot ML agent take over, calling our fast API MCP. Like here you can see MCP tool server fast API. Just I have previously talked about that. Uh, Calling our fast API MCP tool server to run processors and search across multiple estimators like random forest, XGBoost, and LightGBM to serialize the best performing model. Finally, the data pilot report agent compiles all the agent finding and metrics into beautiful dark themed business report. So, wait a bit. Let us see how the system perform in practice. Okay. So here I gonna start host my data pilot. Here, first we can upload the classic customer churn data set. Okay. Our goal is to predict which customer are most likely to churn. As the pipeline begin, let me upload the file there, which is that is the customer churn data set. Okay. And let me there here I have to write the what I want to predict with this data agent, data pilot agent. So I write here prediction goal. So I can just, I have like that, I will just copy and then I will, wait a bit, I will paste it here. Here, I can launch the data pilot. It takes some time, like very less time. Here, as the pipeline begins, you can see the progress. Uh, you can see the progress bar, update, and agent card light up one by one. Here, you can see here all. Okay. The security agent detects the customer ID, matches PII pattern, raises a warning, but since it is not critical, the machine learning agent proceeds to train random forest and XGBoost. The winner is selected, and we get our final report detailing customer tenure and charges at the top predictor. Here you can say the data pilot generate all the predictions and data like here executive summary and what we found in data, machine learning results. Here you can see machine learning results. It show all the machine learning results and top risk like and key business insight. And here the main part is that this agent recommend actions like what action should we perform. Here are the actions, okay. Then security summary and file generated, which file like it generated you can download from there. And you can see one thing like more just like look, this is the chart part. It shows the chart like how the data works. Look, it generate all the charts. And one thing is that you can download the file like model PKL file, prediction CSV file, and report PDF. It generate all three files, and you can easily download from there and save in your file. Okay. And here's the live predictor. This is input data JSON object. Here's the JSON format all the data. Like I just have to tap on predict outcomes. It will show. Look, churn risk detected, yes. Probability breakdown, no. 45.9% and yes, 44.1%. This is how it works on the customer churn CSV data. Okay. I will show another data with you. Like I gonna upload let us test a higher risk scenario. We upload a heart disease data set with a clinical goal to predict pattern patient risk, but this time the file contain a column with actual social security number. Instantly, our security agent flag this as critical and UI halts, showing a red warning banner. Okay, let us upload the file just a bit. Wait a bit. I'll just clear the file and I will just clear the. Okay, I can upload the medical data and here I'm gonna write all the predictions which I have already written in my notes. I will paste it there and launch the data pilot. Okay, just wait a bit. It's working, guys. Wait. Okay, it's inside. We can go in inside part. Here you can see it generates all data like executive summary and what it found in our data, machine learning results, and top risk key insights, and also recommend actions, security summary. Here you can also see the same charts here. Look, this is how it generate the charts. How cool, na? It shows all the data here. Blood sugar, fasting, BMI, physical active days, and there the chart of feature importance and distribution of age, distribution of alcohol consumption, distribution of blood pressure diastolic, and distribution of blood pressure systolic. You can see all that related data here. Okay, this is cool, so cool. And you can also download the file from there, and there is a live predictor which I gonna tap on predict outcome here. Heart disease risk, yes. Probability breakdown, no, 0%, and yes, 100%, because the data shows the family history, yes, moderate, and chest pain type, typical. So it generates like that. Okay. Here, the system blocks critical training until I click proceed anyway, demonstrating our strict human in loop clearance gate. Once approved, the pipeline finishes adopting a clinical and doctor friendly tone in the report. Okay. I have also show you lastly, we can switch to the Kaggle tab and for the Titanic dataset. Okay. Just I can remove from there. Okay. Okay. Just I will upload the file of Titanic CSV. Upload it. And I gonna write, sorry, copy paste the prediction goal. Um, okay, then launch the data pilot. Just wait a bit. It's analyzing all the results. It's doing its work. Here, the pipeline to predict passenger survival. With the model generated, we can even paste the passenger sample right to the live predictor to tap to see real-time interference, just like their live predictor. And also we can change the data from there, okay, according to our need. Just I will look and that. Here, you can see prediction not to survive zero probability breakdown 0 85.5% and 1 14.5% because the data is like it's related to CSV file data, Titanic type. So here is machine learning result, key business insight, recommendation actions, security, file generated, all that things you can see. It's look very cool. Like you can see on top, like it's Datapilot Pro and connected to MCP server, agent ready and ready to train. Here you can see how this is fully automated. Like we can we upload any CSV, ask any question, get expert level analysis, trend model, and executive report in minute. You can look also there is 6 minute pipeline, 4 AI agents, and auto security and smart charts. All are in there. You can look there, charts, downloads, live predictors, insights, and you can also see their machine learning agent, EDA agent, okay, recommendation, all that type things are there. Okay, let me show you the architecture diagram one bit a bit. Yeah, it will take some time. Okay, so to make this safe for enterprise deployment, our security checkpoint performs Regis-based PII scan. Calculate here, calculate person correlation to prevent target leakage and block SQL or HTML injection in the column headers, writing everything to a persistent audit log. All these heavy statical action and Python model training are offloaded to our fast API model context protocol server, which isolate file operations and enforce strict rate limits. Wait a second. I will show you something. Here, huh, this part. Like Data Pilot empowers domain expert, analyst, and research to train production ready model securely without writing a single line of code. Single line of code. It bridges the gap between raw data and business value while ensuring data privacy is never compromised. This is how my Data Pilot agent works, and it's look like that. So it's all. Thank you. And I'm ready for your question. You can also drop your question in comment box. Uh, if I will see, then I will try to answer all those questions in your comment box. So hit like and do subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good one.